What's up guys, it's Caleb from Element Case. Quick video for you today. We've gotten some really good feedback on our new rail bumper case for the iPhone 11 models. We've also gotten a few questions on installation, which I'm gonna go over a few points on today. You can always go back to the instruction card that came with your case to verify anything that you see in the video. So probably the most important thing when installing the rail case that can't be overlooked is you have to take this rail completely out of the case. So it snaps out of the top and hooks out of the bottom, comes right out. So once that's removed, got a brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max here. Throw that into the bumper, make sure the corners are tight. If you can, kind of pinch the corners with your fingers. And when you reinstall the rail, you're going to hook it into the bottom first. Kind of slide your thumb up all the way to take some slack out of it, and then it should just snap right into the top like that. Like I said, it's gonna be a nice short vid. If you wanna see any more of our new X2 line, go to elementcase.com. Thanks for watching.